God, this thing weighs like 20 pounds.
That's a lot of cat.
What? It's like freaking lead in here.
They feed it well.
Are you 224?
What are you
You
doing?
didn't take your cake, that's all. Thank you. Yes.
I think he likes her.
Getting angry. He's not a girl, so he's not making her Your hair looks really cute. Thank you. Are you sure you're going to be able to fit that?
Didn't mean to scare you.
Ring 1 is looking for short hair adults. 231 through 233. 231 through 233. Please go to ring 1.
No, I know, something, no.
She called her top 30 back up.
But she said the boys were just massive.
She had one girl there.
Oh, wow.
Well, not a band, one girl in us.
A lot of them don't stand up.
Ring 3 is holding their all-breed household pet kitten final. Please go check your numbers if you have a household pet kitten. Ring 3.
Some people are more afraid of getting bitten. I don't know.
There's a whole bunch of cats that won't stand up. Because there haven't been a million furniture. Someone's afraid of this?
They won't judge him because he doesn't stand up.
That's correct.
Why?
They definitely may not
Ring
be-
5 is looking for short hair cats. 222 through 227. 222
She said she couldn't judge him because he wouldn't stand up.
So that separate place is not really, may not be warranted for him.
She didn't know if he deserved.
Australia.
Oh!
So they have like whole
You know what? Say
different.
no more. I thought you meant this.
That is.
It is.
That's all right. She's not from Australia?
And that's what I'm saying.
I don't know. It must be a personal preference. Because
Right.
there are ways to judge that way. You know.
Exactly.
I mean, if I want to see this. Well, you know, everyone has their
Not yet.
See, now I can say, if I can't do this,
He loves it.
I didn't clip out of my body because that's my
I think cats should have to do this. Especially for Hermie.
It doesn't make any sense. If you're not going to be a judge and judge fairly based upon what you were taught to, then where is that? Why